Yeah, so nice. I really just don't want to take this off now. I think I want to leave it on for the rest of the day. It feels so comfy. Even I can just wear this inside the house. Also want to share with you what I got from Nespresso online. I typically would get my Nespresso at South Coast Plaza or Newport Beach Fashion Island, but because of the pandemic, I decided to do an online shopping. Buying 10 of these, you get a welcome gift. If it's your first time to purchase online, they give you this welcome gift and two samples of their coffee. You could just pick what you want, but yeah, it's quite amazing because I had a welcome gift as well when I bought it from the store before. So this is like my second welcome gift. So you can start purchasing online, and it wouldn't matter if you already had a welcome gift before and bought it at the store. So you get a new account online, and this is what it comes with. It gives you this thank you receipt, I believe. Oh no, this is like the recycling bag that looks like this. So I got two recycling bags. You could mail it, and it's already prepaid postage. And then it comes with, oh my god, this is so amazing. I got one sleeve of this vanilla custard pie, then two big Nespresso glass. This is such a wonderful gift, and it has the, what is this, like a peeler. Gives you a free peeler. Wow, this is really sweet of them. Very nice. Wow, I love vanilla custard pie. I was always a tea drinker until my friend Diane introduced me to Nespresso. And when I went to San Francisco and went to their coffee shop, I had a shot of espresso there, and I fell in love, and I thought I would buy them when I get home. Since the last time I went to San Francisco about two or 3 years ago to meet my friends from high school, when I came home, it got me an espresso machine. And this Mother's Day gift, I gave one to my mom with the Breville brand, and she's so happy. And then I also got her a welcome gift with all of this, just different flavors. But yeah, she also got the welcome gift. And then when the mall opens, I'm gonna have her buy in South Coast and or in Fashion Island, and maybe she'll get another welcome gift. Welcome gift everywhere. I love it. I also will share unboxing for these items that I got from Coach. Can't wait to open them because I need it. So I kept the dress on, and I'm gonna move on to my surprise Coach unboxing for you. I have 3 items that I recently purchased from Coach. I don't know, they have really upped their game recently, and I actually purchased a bag that is a gift to me. And so let's start with this unboxing. These are the items that I need for my other bags, and I've been looking for this kind of items everywhere, but I seem to can't find a good price and supposedly a good quality that I could pair with my other bags. I want to see if I could approve this to match my 2 bags that I have. This is my very first Coach unboxing. In my lifetime, I only have 2 Coach bags. Alright, so let's start. Let's open it. They have boxed it with a ribbon. That is so nice of them, and it comes with a thank you card from them. So this is a Coach New York, usually high street brand that have New York writing on it. seems to be more durable and more expensive, and I don't know why. I guess because it came from New York. I'm not sure, but it says it's made in Indonesia, but it has that New York thing. So usually whenever I buy high street brand like Marc Jacobs, I would choose the one with New York writing, just because I feel they could last longer and they're more durable, unless if I really like the other styles that doesn't have the New York name on it. But it's not made in New York because it says made in Indonesia. And of course, Indonesia has a special place in my heart since I celebrated my birthday there. If you have watched my birthday, 40th birthday this year. And yeah, so it has to be quality because I love the people there. So I'm assuming that the Indonesian people has made this item. Oh my gosh, Coach 1941. So it comes with a dust bag, and here she is. It is a gold chain shoulder bag strap, and I am going to be wearing this with my kirigami. If you have seen my kirigami video on how I style them, I converted it into like a shoulder bag, and I have been using my other Louis Vuitton gold chain strap with it, but somehow I think it needs its own strap so that I don't have to keep switching it, you know, with the other strap from my other Louis Vuitton bag, so that they are all organized. Wow, I am very impressed. This is quite heavy, and the quality, I don't know, the quality is wow. Oh my god, I am really liking this. It seems to be even more durable than my Chanel chains. I'm not sure, but for the price, wow, this is quite amazing. But yeah, it's really nice, and it has the dog lock in here on both sides. So I will get the bag later so I can show you. And then the next one I want to open is it's another strap. So let's see. It's a leather strap. Oh, it is quite thin, and it also comes with a dust bag. Wow, I thought it would be thicker, but it is very slim. So I'm not sure about this one, but I was planning to pair it with my vintage Fendi bag. I will have to get the bag and see if they will look great together. So I like wearing my bag crossbody, and that bag didn't come with a strap, and I have been taking my other strap from my other bags to use on that bag, and I didn't check the thickness of this when I ordered it. Then the next one I got also came in a dust bag, and it has a little booklet. I'm very careful with buying charms for the bag because I feel that the bags doesn't really need charms, because it takes away the beauty of the bag, I feel, and it's just an extra spending that we really don't need. And I just don't like my hardware on my bags getting scratched by rubbing with the hardware from this charms. So That's why I don't really buy a lot of bag charms. Not that I don't like them, they're quite pricey, and at the same time, I have to really like, I've been eyeing the Louis Vuitton bag charms, but they're way overpriced, and to me, I don't think it's practical to buy it unless you really want it. But I just feel that two hardwares rubbing on each other is probably not very healthy for your bag. But this one, because it's purple, and you know I love pictures, and I love planners, so this one, almost when I saw it, I was like, wow, with that price I think I would grab it. So this was $55, and I got like a discount on it when I bought it. And yeah, it's so beautiful. Let me come closer. Let me show you in a close-up look. She is so adorable, and this hardware for Coach is really very high quality. Seems like so nice, and I could actually put my keys in here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that because I already have my key clay for 6 key holder from Louis Vuitton. But I like how it looks like a little planner, and it's purple with some pink, which is my favorite color, purple, and I could put pictures in here. So yeah, wow, very cute. I love it. And I'm gonna show you how the chain looks like close up. It feels heavy, and it seems to be durable, and it's worth every penny. Really good price. I don't think they have something like this in Amazon that looks so durable like this. And then the shoulder strap, also well made, very nice. Here is the Kirigami bag that I want to wear this with. I could probably use it as a crossbody, but then it really falls below my hips, so I'm not sure about this. The chain is quite too long for me, but they seem very heavy, and it adds weight to the bag, and it makes it look more appealing to wear. It actually is very nice. I like how it looks. It makes it look more like a bag, a shoulder bag, than a Kirigami. So I think I'm gonna keep this chain. I just like how it feels so durable and feels expensive. That's a go. I will keep that. And my other one that I have really doesn't match because it is black here and this is gold, but the bag has black, and this is somewhat like a dark purple, I would say. And I'm not sure. What do you think, guys? I don't know if it makes the bag look nice, but it's so hard to find a strap for this bag. But yeah, I think this should be okay. I don't like it so much, but it's acceptable. Just so I can wear it like a crossbody. I really like this vintage bag. Actually, I like it. It looks nice. The thin strap is actually better, I think, than the thicker strap because it makes the bag look more sexy. And yeah, so I guess this is approved. The quality seems to be good. Yeah, I don't see any flaws. Yeah, every stitching is on point. They are all on point, and it is made in Vietnam. And I finally received my mini bag from Coach. It is so nice. I really like it. It's so adorable, and it comes with this beautiful flower turn lock. It's a silver tone lock, and yeah, I can't wait to wear them. I'm going to give you full details of this bag with my mini bag video, so I'm gonna film that video and hopefully you look out for it. I'm so excited. Of course, I think I'm going to put my little charm here with this bag. So cute. I put my daughter's baptism picture in here. So beautiful. So that is it for my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me, and I hope you probably find something that you like and you go check them out and order them. So I hope this video was also helpful, and I really enjoy it. Have a good day wherever you are. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.